Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric guitar for beginners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Costzon full-size 4-string bass electric guitar for beginners. The Costzon full-size 4-string bass electric guitar for beginners comes fully equipped with all the accessories you need to start strumming your fingers over the strings of your starter electric guitar. This may fall under the category of cheap electric guitars for beginners, but it is still a really good quality guitar for a newbie to learn how to play. This is a solid wood bass guitar with a durable wood body and upgraded maple headstock. It comes with its own travel bag so you can take your guitar with you and practice wherever you go. If you love the sound of the bass, you might like these best-selling subwoofers, too, so make sure to check them out. Moving on at number 4, we have the Choice Products 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners. You don't need to be a rock star to enjoy playing the electric guitar, and the best Choice Products 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners is a good starter electric guitar to start playing. This is the ultimate guitar for the beginner or intermediate musician and includes everything you need to get hooked up and live. This electric guitar has been handcrafted for quality sound, and the solid wood body is easy to hold and reverberates the sound perfectly. Crank up the volume and let the neighbors know there's a muso on the block. Take a look at our list of best mandolins on the market, as well, for more cool instruments like this. At number 3, we have the Fender 24 inches short-scale electric guitar for beginners. Inspire the young person in your life to start playing the electric guitar with this slightly smaller Fender 24 inches short-scale electric guitar for beginners. This complete electric guitar and accessories bundle features a 24-inch scale-length guitar and everything else you need to start rocking straight away. It has a 20-fret fingerboard for easy playing and a hardtail bridge for tuning stability. This may be the easiest electric guitar to play for those who are very young or who have a smaller frame, making it perfect for kids and those of a slighter build. It's the perfect guitar for those just starting out. Make sure to also browse our list of the top guitar amplifiers for beginners. At number 2, we have the Donner DST-102S 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners. Turn your home into your own music studio as you discover the wonderful world of music from your starter electric guitar. The Donner DST-102S 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners gives you everything you need to play music like a rock star, eventually. This is a beautiful electric guitar with a unique design solid basswood body. It is enhanced by a laurel wood fingerboard and a stunning Canadian maple neck. This electric guitar for beginners produces a natural vibrant sound. Enjoy creating tunes to entertain family and friends. This piece can also be a nice gift for your audiophile friend. And finally at number 1, we have the ZENY 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners. The best electric guitar to learn on is one that comes with everything you need, such as the amp, strings, carry case, and more. Beginner players can often be overwhelmed with getting everything together, but the ZENY 39 inches full-size electric guitar for beginners and accessories take the hassle out of searching, so you can start playing as soon as you get your guitar. This right-handed electric guitar features all wood construction with a beautiful smooth finish. The strings are of high quality that helps deliver a smooth tone. Young or old, this is an awesome electric guitar for beginners to start learning how to play this iconic instrument. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.